3 billion people visit Reddit every single month, and most of them are not there just to scroll. They are searching for answers, recommendations, solutions, and product they can actually use. Yet most affiliate marketers completely ignore Reddit. They are on Pinterest, they are on TikTok, they are fighting for views on Instagram. Reddit is different. When you understand how Reddit works and use AI to create helpful good content, you can get your affiliate offers in front of people who are actively looking for what you are promoting without paying for ads. And in this video, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step method to promote affiliate links on Reddit using AI, from finding the right subreddit and keyword to create content that gets traffic without looking like spam, and so much more. Make sure to watch this video until the end. I'll share with you a mistake that a lot of beginners they are doing to get their account banned, so you can avoid this mistake, and so much more. And let's get started. I have been doing this business, guys, for over 7 years, and I know exactly how this business works, and I'm making over $50,000 a month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. And in this video, I'll share with you my method with Reddit. Okay, this is my affiliate account dashboard, and just this month, guys, I have made $44,273 just in 26 days. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and just last month, guys, I have made $52,194. This is my payment page. This is the proof. You guys can see here recent payment request details. It's paid. I already received these commissions in my bank account. And anyway, for people who want to start making money and promote affiliate links on Reddit, first step, guys, is you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program. So for me, guys, I'm working with Fiverr affiliate. If you want to join Fiverr affiliate, super easy and simple. You will just go to Google and search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Of course, it's for free. Once you finish your sign up process, this will be your homepage, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So this will be, guys, your Fiverr homepage. You just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Go to company over here and click on affiliate. Okay, you should see here affiliate. Click on affiliate like this, and you will be, guys, in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can scroll down to check their commission plan, because they are really paying good commissions, guys, because this is high ticket affiliate marketing program. They are paying, guys, good commission up to 70% of the first order, which is really crazy, guys. Okay, the best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So you can turn this into a passive income. Okay, the lowest that they are paying is 25% of other services, which is really good, guys. You guys can check the commission plan here to understand and get more info. And if you want to create your affiliate account, go back to this page and click on join now like this, and you will be, guys, in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you guys can see here, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, confirm your password, account type, make it private, and scroll down. Click here. Do you have a main source of traffic? Click on this one and click on yes. I want you to pay close attention here. So what you will do here is you need to put your social media profile page that you will use to promote those services. So for example, you want to promote those services on Reddit, you will put here your Reddit page link. If you want to promote those services on Pinterest, you will put here your Pinterest profile link. You want to promote those services on YouTube, you put here your YouTube channel link, and so on. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Scroll down, click on country, and choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from Australia, Germany, China, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Brazil, any country. Okay, then you can click here to choose your language. And if you have a Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. You will just follow a few steps. It's easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. Okay, once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be, guys, your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You will see here your commissions, your clicks, your CTR, people who use your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who use your affiliate link to buy those services that you will start promoting. It's easy and simple. What you will do next is you need to create a Reddit account. Okay, so you will create a Reddit account like this. You guys, if you don't have, okay, that's fine. You can go to Google and search for Reddit. Okay, and click on the first link, sign up using your email address. It's for free. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Reddit. Okay, so this will be, guys, your Reddit account. So what you will do next, guys, pay close attention please. So to find services that people will be interested to buy from you from here on Reddit, you need to use Reddit search bar. We will click here on the search bar and we will type here keyword. As an example, let's type social, just type keyword social media. Here you go. You see, I just typed keyword and I have here Reddit suggest those topics that people are searching for on Reddit: social media manager hiring, social media marketing, social media management, social media manager jobs. I'll complete it, social media managers. Okay, let's search for social media manager as an example. Okay, you need to search for keywords, search for social media managers as an example like this, and here you go. So once you search for social media managers, you will scroll down and you will find people here looking for social media manager. Do you want to hire a social media manager? For example, like, let me show you, like this one, hiring social media managers, talent managers, and lead. Okay, this one looking for social media managers. Okay, if I scroll more down, here is another one, any social media managers here, hiring. Here is another one, social media managers, and so on. You will find a lot of people here searching for social media managers. So for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, what you will do, you will go back to Fiverr, here to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search bar and search for social media manager. Even it's already popular right now on Fiverr here, you guys can see, meaning that the service, guys, has high demand. So I will search for social media manager like this. Just search for the service that people are already searching for on Reddit, like this, social media manager, and here you go. You will find here a lot of people, a lot of sellers who provide this service. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Always choose like top rated sellers and pro sellers and level 2 sellers. Just choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, who can provide good service for your customers. Okay, so because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers, they will check the feedback of their customers who already paid for the service. So if you are choosing good sellers, also people can buy from those people that you are promoting as an affiliate marketer, and you earn a commission. It's simple. Okay, as an example, I will choose this one. Okay, so this one is pro seller, has over 1000 reviews, which is good, so I will choose this one. I will be your social media marketing manager. This one looking really good. I will click on his service like this, and you will be, guys, in this seller profile page. You guys can see the proof, numbers don't lie. You guys can see here we have 35 orders in queue, meaning that the service is not saturated. People are still paying for this service, and it's evergreen service, meaning if people buy the service from you, they can keep buying this service over and over, and you keep earning 10% revenue share that I explained in the beginning. Okay, people are already paying for this service on Fiverr, meaning that it's working, and it's still working right now. So what you will do for you as an affiliate marketer, you will copy the link of this seller like this, and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You will click here on your dashboard. You have dashboard marketing tools reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be, guys, in this page. Click on deep link over here like this and paste this seller page link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first affiliate link. This one, guys, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting pro services, you will copy your affiliate link always from here. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated seller, you will copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, Fiverr marketplace new plan. For me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business, guys, for over 7 years. That's why I have an old Fiverr affiliate account, and that's why I still have this option. Okay, and if you are watching this and thinking, okay, but I want someone to actually show me how to build this step by step, that's exactly why I created my AI affiliate marketing course. Inside, I show you how we can use the latest AI tools to build both Fiverr and Amazon affiliate income streams. Find profitable opportunities, create content faster without showing your face, without using your voice, using just AI tools, and get traffic without relying on paid ads from different social media platforms, from Pinterest, from YouTube long videos, short videos, Instagram reels, Facebook reels, TikTok videos. Double your traffic and double your commissions without paying for ads. Okay, just by creating an SEO optimized content that you can post on social media platforms and get free traffic. Why paying for ads? You just need to create good content. That's exactly what I'm explaining inside my AI affiliate marketing course. So instead of spending a month jumping between random YouTube videos and trying to figure everything out yourself, you can follow the exact system I teach my students who are making good results. If you are serious about turning AI and affiliate marketing into a real income stream, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description and I will send you all the details. Okay? Anyway, let's complete our video. We need to promote this affiliate link on Reddit. So what we will do next, guys, we will go to Reddit, okay, and we will pick one of those people who are searching for social media manager. Any social media managers here, like this one. Okay, I will click on this one. So I will choose this one, guys. I will click on this subreddit post. Okay, it's just like this. Okay, and what I will do next here, I will click here on join conversation. Okay, and to create a helpful and good comment, you need to use AI. And what we will do next is we will go to ChatGPT. You guys can go and open your ChatGPT account and ask ChatGPT to give you a short Reddit comment for people who are searching for social media manager service to get it from my website without looking spam. Okay, and ChatGPT will give you this short and professional answer like this one. You guys can see here. So what you will do, you will copy this answer and go back to Reddit, okay, and paste this answer here, okay, and remove this one here. So let me show you like this. And what you will do next, guys, is you will click here. You see we have here link. You have this option link. Click on this one link, and what you will do here, you will here create, for example, I will create here check it here, okay, and here you have link. So what you need to do next here, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and you will copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, once you copy your affiliate link from here, you will go back to Reddit. Of course, you will not put your affiliate link directly here, because if you do that, your Reddit account will get banned and you will get zero traffic and make zero commissions. You need to create a landing page or an affiliate website. This is the safe way to promote affiliate links on Reddit. You need to create a landing page or an affiliate website, and inside your landing page you will put all the services that you need to promote here on Reddit to get your commissions, okay, and to keep your account safe and promote affiliate links in a correct and safe way on Reddit. Or if you have an affiliate website, you can put all those services inside your affiliate website and put here your website link, okay. So for example, like this, just as an example, this is just as an example, I will put, for example, this is your landing page link, and you will click on save, okay, and here you go. You see, so if people click on this one, they will go directly to Fiverr, buy the service from you, you earn a commission. And what I will do next, I will click on comments, just like this, okay, and here you go. Okay, so for example, if those people who are searching for social media managers, if they click here on check it here like this, let me show you, they will be directly in the seller profile page. If they buy the service from you, you earn a commission. Just the basic package, it's starting from $237. Some people can buy premium, the standard package, and some people can buy premium package. Let's take just standard package as an example, okay, that started from $361. Okay, if we go to ChatGPT and we ask him, so what is 70% of $361? The first commission, guys, that you can earn is $252, which is really crazy commissions, guys. This affiliate marketing program is paying good commissions. So if people on Reddit, they buy the service from you, you earn a commission. I shared with you here everything, how you can find people who will be interested to buy the services from you, how you can create good content and good comment, helpful comments without looking spammy using AI, and how you can add your affiliate link in a safe way. You need to create a landing page or an affiliate website. This is your method to make your first commissions from Reddit. You have a lot of services that you can promote on Reddit, not just social media manager. Let me show you. Let's search for, you go back to the search here and search for logo design. Okay, you will find a lot of people looking for logo designer. Okay, what is looking for logo designer? Here you go. This is what I'm talking about. You have so much services you can promote here on Reddit. Looking for logo designer. Here, looking for logo designer. Here is another person just posted this post on Reddit today. Looking for logo designer. You just need to connect like sellers with buyers and you earn a commission. I shared with you here everything. Okay, where can I find affordable logo design options? Okay, which logo? Here you go. You can find looking for a brand designer, looking for logo designer. You have a lot, guys. Like you have really some. Let's search for video video editors. You will find people searching for video editors, hiring video editors. YouTube video editors hiring $250 per video. Hiring YouTube video editor 100 and up to 150 per video. Okay, looking for video editor. Here you go. Let me show you as an example. Let's search for AI. You have a lot. You see AI video generation, AI generated, also AI services, they are trending. Okay, AI agents as an example. Let me search for AI agents. Who is actually using AI agents? Okay, are AI agents. You can find people searching for AI agent services, okay, and so much more. And you can go always back to Fiverr and promote services that people are searching for on Reddit, okay. You can click here on trending. You can see here the trending services. Also AI services, they are trending, guys, over here. Okay, if we click on AI services, you can promote also those services on Reddit. You will find people searching for those services on Reddit. You just need to start, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to take this business seriously and you want direct access to me, you want to get direct access to me to follow up with you and make sure you are applying the system correctly, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will share with you all the details. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.